What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I won the ClickFunnels Dream Car Challenge in under 4 weeks. And then I got 200 members and got to the next level in under 2 months. Now, apparently, this is the fastest time ever, according to some people in the group. I'm not sure if it's confirmed yet. But anyhow, I'm going to show you exactly how I got this done. And most of it was actually with cold traffic. A bit, I would say 30%. Around about that was with warm traffic, but the rest of it was with cold traffic. So I'm going to take you through how I did that. Now, if you don't know what the ClickFunnels Challenge is, ClickFunnels is a platform. I'll show you it right now. ClickFunnels is a platform where you can build sales, funnels, webinars, membership websites, all sorts of things, right? And most businesses nowadays are using funnels or some sort of webinar to sell their programs, services, applications. And as you can see down here, this is a legitimate company. And what you can do is you can go out and actually promote this company and you get a commission on the trials. If they stick, you get $38 per person. And they also have webinars you can promote where you get $398 per sale commissions as well. So that's what I was promoting, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Now, the good thing about ClickFunnels is they have lots of tools for you to use. But the best thing is you can win payments for a car. So if you get 100 active members, they will give you $500 towards your monthly payments on a car that you want or that you already have. And if you get 200 members, they give you $1,000 towards the car. So it's a little bit of an incentive to help you promote their product. Now, what I did, guys, is I'll take you through the process of this, of how I came about winning this and doing this. There was a lot of preparation beforehand, but first of all, I needed a hook. I needed to hook people into my funnel so I could promote this product. And I needed to find a solution, and then I need to, find a problem and then offer a solution. And then I also needed to make back enough money to pay for the advertising. This was the critical part, because essentially I want my trials to become free, whether it be a week later, 2 months later, or 3 months down the track. Okay, so this is what I needed to do before I went and promoted this product. And this is kind of what I came up with. So I wanted to find people who do something online and would want to increase sales, because first of all, they're going to stick to the trials longest, possibly for the rest of their lives, or as long as their businesses are going, and they're high quality traffic. So because I'm in the Shopify industry, the dropshipping industry, and I teach people how to dropship, I thought, okay, I'm going to promote a funnel to Shopify store owners, because you can actually share funnels. So you can build a funnel inside of ClickFunnels and you can share it with people. So this was my hook. This was my angle to get people into my email funnel to advertise this product. So I found the problem. They want to make more money. And then I found a solution, which was a funnel. And this was the funnel, guys. So this is actually a base template from somewhere else, but I got my team to edit it and change it around. This is actually a product that I made a lot of money with last year. This is my sales video. So this is the first page, guys, and you go down and they can edit it and they can change quite a lot of stuff on the page. And then it goes to an upsell. Then it goes to the checkout. Once they check out, it actually goes to an upsell where their prospects or customers or whatever can purchase more products or another product from them. Then it goes, so when they click this button, a little pop-up comes up and they can check out on this page. Then it goes to this, which is another upsell, and they can make money with this as well. And the thing is, guys, for someone that doesn't know anything about funnels, making something like this seems impossible. That's why I offer it for free if people get on the trial. I say, hey, grab a trial. You can trial out this for 14 days. If it doesn't work, then you leave. And if it does work, and it makes you money, then of course it's a win-win for you because you make money. And it integrates with Shopify so they can still process orders on Shopify like they would normally. Okay, so that's why we do this, guys. We want to give away something of value, and ClickFunnels is good because you can give away a share funnel, and other programs do it as well if you want to promote those. But I use ClickFunnels. So, guys, I found the people, the problem, the people that want to make money from their stores, more money, and offer a solution. Make money. Everyone on Shopify wants to make more money because advertising is getting more expensive, and to make funnels, it does, guys, I have a full team that makes me funnels consistently for my business. We edit other funnels that we get shared. I have a team building a funnel for me right now. This is the stuff that he's doing. So you don't have to actually build funnels yourself. You can get funnels built by someone else and you can share them to people around the internet. Well, that's what I did. Now, before we move on, guys, a bit of a warning. I did this for fun to hit a goal, okay? I'm in a position to do that. I had a lot of advertising money. I was also in a position to do that. And I'm only just starting to become profitable. So what that means is I threw a bunch of money at this stuff. I'm only starting to become profitable now. I'm actually becoming profitable sooner than I thought. I thought it was going to take a few months, but I am becoming profitable now. I'm around breaking around about even, and I'm going to show you how I did it. But just a warning, not everyone can go out and do this. I did have some money. I mean, you can go and promote ClickFunnels, but it might take you a super long time to get to the dream car compared to what I did, because I had the money there to hit that goal and get that dream car. Okay, so this is what I did, guys. Let's get into the good stuff. Number one, what I did, a lot of you guys have probably seen this advert around as well. I gave away, let me just get a pen up here. I gave away my funnel in a Facebook ad, and I did do some YouTube ads. I gave away my funnel in a Facebook ad, and I actually initially gave them 5 days of free training, but I changed that pretty quickly because I needed to make some money on the back end to pay for a little bit of advertising. So what I did, guys, is I did the advertising, and I had a pretty good hook here. So are you using funnels in your business yet? Maybe you don't have a business but want to start one. I was actually advertising to the e-commerce space, but I was kind of trying to cater to every other people as well. 12 months ago, I launched a product online. I launched it all wrong, kinda. I followed the old way of, and then they click more, and then there was the rest of my copy, which was, I had a lot of copy to show. And I actually used different, let me just actually get up another ad that I ran so you can see different variations of that actually. All right, guys, so actually this was another ad that I ran. It's for the same thing. This was tailored a little bit differently. I showed them some results from one of my Shopify stores and stuff like that. And 100% free, get your e-commerce funnel. And all of this here and here went to a page where I collected an email. That's all I wanted to get, was the email, so I can then work my magic in the back end. Now, once I got the email, like what I was paying for leads didn't really matter. I was getting them for quite cheap, but what I was paying per email didn't really matter because that I was trying to achieve. So anyway, guys, once they went to the page and I got the email, they went to another page where so it said, important, your free funnel will be in your email soon. But I actually offered them an advanced funnel training program for $17. Now, actually, quite a few people purchased this, and it paid for some of my advertising cost on these ads. So I made back a little bit of money here, but not much. So that's the Facebook funnel. Facebook ad to a opt-in page, which is so simple, guys. You can see it right here. This is converting at over 63%. People that are in my affiliate marketing Facebook group have seen the proof, and I've actually given away this funnel. I actually just got it up to 72% 2 days ago. I'm testing, but it's fluctuating between kind of 72 and back to 60. The average opt-in rate for most people is around about 30%. I always strive for at least 60% or more because I know I can get it. You just need to have your opt-in pages nice and simple. So they go to this page, guys, there's a short sales video saying, hey, you could benefit from this from your business. And then some people purchase the upsell for $17. But this is the front end. Let's look at the back end, which is a lot more complex and where I actually make a lot of my money, okay? So we'll get rid of this, we'll clear this out, we'll go to the next page. This is the Facebook side of things, and this could work for Bing ads, Reddit ads, any type of ads you do. This is the back end, and this is where it gets a little bit more complex, but this is where the money is made. Okay, so number one, guys, I sent them the first email straight away. In the first email, they had a link to the funnel. And then first it said, hey, get your trial first and come back and get the funnel. I probably should have done something like contact me for the funnel. Once you get the trial, I would have got more trials, but then my stick rate probably wouldn't have been as good because I wouldn't have had people that were serious to do this. So I gave them the funnel, guys, and then I said to them, hey, jump on my messenger bot to get more notifications about more funnels that I give away. So quite a large percentage of them clicked that link, guys, and they went onto my messenger bot, which I've done a little bit with, but not much yet. I'm gonna optimize and do more. And just to kind of let you guys know that I've got 3 funnels running right now. I've got the 2 e-commerce ones, but I've also got an affiliate one that a lot of you guys have seen as well, which brought in quite a lot of trials for me as well. But the e-commerce one has brought in the most, and then I started doing the affiliate trial a little bit after I actually won the dream car. That kind of boosted me up to the 200. So this was the initial funnel that I've used. Now, I also reminded people that they can get my upsell for $17. The people that purchased went onto a 4-day wait block in the emails, so they waited there for 4 days. Because when they've purchased, I know that they're serious. They've spent $17. They're in the e-commerce space, and I don't need to really send them anything else apart from another course. So what I did, guys, is I then did 5-day course promotion of my own e-commerce course, or you can do an affiliate e-commerce course. We have affiliates on mine. And then after that 5-day promotion, I had a 4-day break. This is all in the emails. This is running right now. People are still going through this funnel. And then I promoted the Funnel Hacks webinar, where I get commissions of $398. I have sold about 6 of those, I think, so far. So 398 times 6, you work that out. That's quite a big chunk of money. But as you can see, it takes a long time. So I threw a lot of money at the trials, and I didn't see any money back for a while. And now I'm becoming profitable because the trials are starting to tick over. People are starting to stick to the trials. So I made some money here. The people that didn't make a purchase, guys, I gave them a 1-day break. Then I sent 2 more emails offering the $17. If they purchased, you can track all of this. They also went to the 4-day break, and then they went to the 5-day course promotion. Okay, nice and simple. Then the people that did not purchase at the $17, I gave them a 3-day break, and then I sent them some value blog post. I think I sent, and then this one I sent a YouTube video. Doesn't have to be your YouTube video. You can share YouTube videos. The people that did not open these emails, I put them aside in another waiting block and then transferred them to another campaign that is called my Dead Lead campaign. They're literally not interested in hearing from me anymore. So these people did not open my emails at all. I actually sent 4 value emails first. So I sent one. If they didn't open it, I sent another. If they didn't open it, I put them aside. And the next day, I sent 2 emails as well. If they didn't open it, I sent them another one. And if they didn't open that, I put them aside. They're clearly not interested in anything that I have to offer anymore. The people that opened up the value and clicked, I actually sent them to the 5-day course promotion as well, because what I was offering them value-wise was e-commerce content and Shopify content and stuff like that. So I know it seems really complex, but it's actually quite simple once you narrow it down. What you need to understand is the money is all made in the back end. So I'm still making money today from trials that I got 3-4 weeks ago. Okay, and then essentially it's going to pay, whether it takes 6 months. I don't care if I got profitable in 6 months. I'm getting profitable in about 2.5 months right now. But if it takes me 6 months to become even, it doesn't matter, because that's usually, most businesses don't make profit back for years. They run at a loss for a very long time, most businesses. So that, guys, is how I won the Dream Car Challenge. It's something I've just wanted to do for a super long time, but you need to understand that it does take a while to get the money back to pay for the trials, so they become essentially free. Now, as always, guys, I give away free content in every single one of my videos. We're about to pick the winner in a second, but if you want to get into the next draw on the next video to get into my course and other prizes that I give away on my Instagram story, you need to subscribe. Let's hit 300 likes on this video, and if you hit 300 likes, we're going to draw 2 winners on the next one. And also comment below Dream Car. Okay, you do all those 3 things and you're going to get into the draw. There are instructions in the description. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry, my camera froze and I went and had a break, so I'm back now. Get us all back recording these videos. But what we're going to be doing now is drawing the winners from the last YouTube video. If you don't know, I do competitions in every single video, like we just talked about before. And we hit over 300 likes, so we're going to be doing 2 winners in this video. Now, to make it fair, I take the URL from this particular video. This was the last video. I put it into a random comment generator, and we go through, and it goes through and filters out the comments, takes out any duplicates, so like me replying to you guys. And we're going to hit start, and we're going to pick 2 winners from the last video. You'll be in the pinned comment, and you can go and either get into my affiliate course or my e-commerce course. So Milo's, you are winner number 1. And let's go again, pick another winner, and let's go again. We have 2 more winners. Sorry, 1 more winner, Lee. Okay, so you 2 guys or girls have won entrance into my courses. So you can either pick the affiliate course or the e-commerce course. Make sure you comment below on the pinned comment, or hit me up on one of my emails, and I will send you entry to the courses, okay, or one of those courses. Now, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to give it a like and a subscribe. I appreciate all the support. I'm going to be bringing out more videos, and I have a real banger of a video coming out soon about ClickBank, and I'm actually going to give you one of my funnels that's been making me a lot of money. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video.